kaw wanu nana la mitante wayno ko wambula kati website dika wambula kati sila pasabe nani wurtnaw ko kala nuju kala jukkiso to kandu wa bori mola emite kati Mr. Jaju nyeju no mini isen bokana kamitate kandu invite mi pour mo kujo kumat programme allow me to ladies and gentlemen, invited guests, I have the privilege, honor to announce the arrival of the Khalif General of Busra, Mr. Baba Ibrahim Afai. You are welcome, sir. You are welcome, sir. Allow me to introduce to you the invited guest present. Among the invited guests present, before we witness the arrival of the Honorable Minister, we have the Alcalo of Busura. Of course, we've just witnessed the arrival of the Khalif General, Mr. Baba Ibrahim Afai. And we have the Alcalo of Busra, Mr. Pa Ali Fai, the Alcalo of Jalam Bantang, the Alcalo of Jalam Bantang, Mr. Yafai Sonko, we also have the media fraternity here present with us here. We have Bruce Atemosa, Media House. We have the Standard newspaper. We have also senior judicial reporter. We have Shema Kamara, a freelance journalist. We have Lamin Kante, police media team. You are welcome, the media. We also have in our midst the Blackseed family, Mrs. Juliet Kujabi. We have Mr. Katim Kujabi, Mr. Sajo, and Mr. Yuba Kujabi. You are all welcome, sir and ma'am. We have also Mr. Babukar Samba, who accompanied our honorary father, Mr. Binjai. Sorry, we have Mr. Babukar Samba, who is the cooperative food Brikama. You are welcome, sir. Shortly, we will also receive our honorary father's mother, Mr. Aji Anna Samba, to be accompanied by Seyna Bunjai. We also have, among Abunjai's family, Mr. Zakaria Sow. We also have Council of Elders and Elders of Busra and Women Wing. Recently we've just witnessed the arrival of Mr. Alaji Kamara, OC Prosecutor General Bill Kamara. You are welcome, sir. Mr. Buba Sanyang, sir, you are welcome. You are not oversighted. You are welcome, Mr. Kamara. I think you have to allow me to run through. No, I don't know. Young people of the village. The aim and objective is to complement efforts of Busra Village Development Committee, the Alcalo, and any development-oriented person or group of people. At first, these young people called on the VDC chairman, Mr. Luther Jata, and hold a meeting in his residence. And later on, they convey another meeting at his residence to see how things are going to formalize. And then, at Famara Park, this residence on 25th of April 2020, where an executive was formed and other relevant matters discussed, including members agreeing to pay a fee of $25 each month and every year $300 as initial funds for any development of the village. A fourth meeting was convened at the same place on 2nd May 2020, where the constitution was drafted, ratified for consideration. That is the Attorney General's Chambers, and it also has a TIN number, tax identification number, and has an account at the FI Bank. It's also important to inform the gathering that the formation of BIDFA coincided with a very important project initiated by a few youths called SMB. They came up with the idea of seeking donations around the village. The funding were done. They came up with the idea of seeking donations around the village, with most of these donations coming from the women wing of the village. Initial funding to the clinic renovation project. The clinic was later sponsored by Riders for Health, and it's gratifying to note that BIDFA, that I used, took up the project in Lebo, complemented all efforts to making sure the renovation is successfully completed in the shortest possible time. BIDFA continued to complement effort of village development in tandem with the village development committee. A few activities such as cleansing of the village cemetery just after the rainy season, clearing of Aliu Badra Fai's forest, and clearing of some streets in the village. BIDFA also supports sporting activities by appearing on village walks every Sunday at the village the village football field fencing. Ladies and gentlemen, invited guests, I'm pleased to announce the arrival of the honorary father's mother, Mrs. Aji Anna Samba. The mother, Aji Anna Samba, is accompanied by Mrs. Senabu Njai. You are welcome, ma'am. Miss Anna Njai, Miss Aji Anna Samba, accompanied by Miss Amina Njai and Senabu Njai. You are welcome, ma'am.
Akamita ndindro wala mnyentiko kafo fama bama wala kutakana tensani ne ajube moflale dentala kanati follow ana samba wala mu kafo fama ba mati and wala mu kafo fama ba mati sanyi safono mama kafo mamalo milba fe wala mu Senabu Njai aning Amina Njai wala dandan nambe ngota jang afelenti sanyi esira ngodiala ana samba bismillah ul ko kudika walini ni eske yi am fangio abarak.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jadu. You are welcome. Let me continue on my introduction of Busra Youth Task Force Formation. BITFA also came up with the idea of building the village a market. Because the youth observe that the women who toil every early morning to become for shopping for their daily cooking. The market will be funded by the monthly contribution done by members. However, BITFA also solicits donations from individual philanthropists and organizations for a successful completion of the market. We are pleased to inform the general public that this very project is labeled by BITFA. On 29th of November 2020, BITFA recognized Mr. Abdul Njai as their honorary father. And this move has propelled BITFA's aims and objectives, taking Busra to the higher heights. Mr. Abdul Njai, from there on, has his fingerprints on all the projects of BITFA. Thank you very much, sir. He will be remembered. Thank you. He will be remembered as the father, as the mentor, as the teacher, and most importantly, as the backbone and not the bone of Busra. On national and international platforms, BITFA has joined the rest of the world by creating social media platforms such as an email address, a YouTube channel, I'm going to take that again. On national and international platform, BITFA has joined the rest of the world by creating social media platforms such as email address, YouTube channel, a website, WhatsApp group, a Facebook group, where all our activities are displayed for public consumption. For the YouTube channel is Busra Youth Task Force Association. You are please requested to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Anytime videos are uploaded, you can be notified. Today, we are also gathered here to elevate Busra to the wider world as we launch a website for BITFA. This is a milestone history. This is a milestone in the history of Busra as a village, as a people, and as a society. The website will be announced when it is formally launched. And therefore, you are please asked to visit the website as interested programs activities which they are in. Of recent, a few citizens of Busra called the B8, that is the Brothers of Age, have recently given some money to construct a store, a small store at the graveyard, the cemetery, for the storage of spades, pickaxe, to make it easy for any unfortunate, like a funeral. So far, BITFA have started the project last Saturday, and the store building is on the way. Thank you very much, BA. These are the activities BITFA has embarked on since its inception just a year ago. And if we can go this far, just in less than 2 years, ladies and gentlemen, then I am proud to inform or to announce that in the next 5 to 10 years, Busra would be a town. But this cannot happen overnight. I have to remind you, and certainly it is not impossible. We need to inculcate in our individual and collective hearts the following. We must have sacrifice, we must be patient, we must have perseverance, and most importantly, we need to unite as a people. On that note, I want to thank each and every person here for your kind attention. Thank you very much. I'll now hand you over to Mr. Aliu Jeju for the translation of same in the local language.
Abaraka Yusufa, akame kodron wala mnyindi ko ni nata jube, nyinka fome alon ko wala beloring, bijang, alota nyameng, alafta kurka itandi molla. Ako kondingkele, takilo bulandi nyokan, kaje ko lodula soto sate okono, otene lodula soto sate okono ote nyata kafula nyoma. Akoila wongani o soto, e mofolo minje nyinkola wala mo bidi sikya manti mimu lutati, anon kacha keta luta fangoleya, kai ilahamo ni la lafo itandala, kai tandala ko itol natale puruka kafwa fe, kaje ko sate onyila nyatota anala lonkango itolbe lola le kaje ko ila sembo mumindi ye wokeje akoni obotaje ye benfula nyango minke ya ke ila fondinke dole ya memu pap jejuti wolungo lamela hamo aning ilafte kaming tamandi ye wole kutakuta ndi nyoye itol mamba soldo inata mitin sabanjango fanankeje wo mitin sabanjango wolungolom inata na kambeng kaje ko oto sate ding mimbengi sate okono me alon ko aka karfa soto waranti ala mananko mo se kodo nyi sinoma asedala simwani lulu jo odala simwani lulo kariyo kari ni wo jota e bagela ko ding inyanta dala si kebe sabale jola sango kono kaje ko kafoni niko yalo atelono la atela ko kodita bulu inanda na sonko to kewo ben sabanjamoto ko inyande constitution o dada o constitution o kono ala dada kono alafta kanyi tandi jama molla ko bifani kafula mi yalo ko registrata Anthony General Stemba ay tin number sotole account buko sotole wala may kodo mabole FIB Bank Gambia Limited ni obotaje asay tandal la ko bifo fanan kafuta funding kelma ika fofo ninke milie SMB kabring ilota iko itol bonambe mammango kala kaje ko ila musol kata dokta no kedamento kela bulfengo keje bare wo SMB ye musol falo ngidinka pour kela kodolu keje anu musol nata kela kodol di SMB la pour way do koke mo kono lo SMB nata wuli pour kangidi ndiroke ni bini si kabringo nyoma pour kangidi ndiroke anu wangidi ndiro kono ala natana mabero ke riders wala kodo dépense ke min tafta musol la dépense kodo kono anu itol bifa wala ko wonne ke kabo moldi wala sembela do ko kafuje pour kaje ko do ko nyim banta ko e habitala nyame akamanda wala de ela bulo konan kafu kaje ko kabro nyi porofola kabro busra sate o kono jang itata potala fay community forest de barbaro banan kejele otani ay kami dalidrom nyen tax force kaflo mi yalongo anata furka busra sembentuya ay mi dandi furka kuma yalidrom kafoni ay sutero ke inata Abdou Ndiaye muta take ifati nina da kabriya Abdou Ndiaye muta kete ifati wokata sate wala nyato tabati Abdou Ndiaye ya bulol fere dum yirwa le be kala nyin sate kono Abdou Ndiaye ya bulol dunjela ka ba fly abaraka alama ala yetuja oto wokama kan asabono ko Abdou Ndiaye atina ko bi busara sate kono itol fonan kafta dunia be la bantabato bantaba mi yalon ko nimbingo min dunta o bantaba to ida busra fanan jela jele andum wa busra bantaba akata to fala foni ninga yele na yele ta molsa atoje social media bijele YouTube bijele WhatsApp group bijele aktabra bota wala fanan kafdo be busra sa te ko rojan e kala fokka fo mi ko BA wala brothers of aid wala natana ko do dila puruka mankasino do mandingo lo kabiroto o mankasindingo abe mimma bola je wala mpelolti siolu ani joranol melyalon ko kabrobe solala itajela ko nataje ni ala do noke nga sango soto atitaka foko mole ko ngata pelo tajana ngata sombo tajana abatarale ko be chabo drone kala dro ngata nga yere nyanta men toktola je ngata moto ako nyem kuoti mi alon ko abaitandala ne andira ko nyita fo nyike no nyisa nyiflo buche okono soto nae sanji lulu kata sanji tan soto ota jigita ko nyita fo nyinde nae wosi woto abe busura kela tuba pundati busura be kela tawnoti oto nabe lari wonyama alafta kangita nda kama mola ko busura fo ninkel almaali simaya andu pana be la BDC almaali simaya jang alafta fula busra alkali alama yesima jang alafta fula West Coast region alma alesima alafta fula Gambia alma yeke bankuti misima yanga ala baraka ayina ko tuba kanoto ani kabi ibe hakilo plani kandro bari ikoni do se kandro ni mala ba bero talalale o mu se kandro bereti bare naje ko nyame wala mi yirwa mi be sato ko no jang bi ko ye blo dunjele ami wala be lori kamar se ko nando ando marse woni abe tama kanne anyanta banane ala kititala akoni na ta jube nyimbe ke no la na dara ko be ngam blo fay nyo kan nganda ngani o be ke kelesi ala baraka
Thank you. Mr. Basiru Fai is seconded. His vice assistant chairperson is Mr. Famara Jaju. Mr. Famara Jaju, Abjeli. Thank you. The secretary of BISFA, Saferla, is no other than Mr. Ali Suso. Thank you. Ali Suso is assisted by Domingo Rad Mendy. And I guess he's not here, he's engaged somewhere. Our cashier, Podiputala, is no other than Mr. Ibrahim Kujabi. Mr. Ibrahim Kujabi is seconded by Mr. Al-Amin Sedikan as the assistant cashier. Al-Amin Sedikan. The public relations officer, that is the PRO, is myself, Yusufa Jata. Thank you. I am ably assisted by my namesake, Mr. Yusufa Jame. Yes, my assistant. We have also the auditor. As the auditor for FIFA. He's seconded by Mr. Damir Jata, who is not also here. You have the chief organizer. We also have an organizing group. They are the one responsible for this platform and whatever is happening, the success of whatever is happening here. And the chief of that group is called Ibrahim Masanyang Karanta. In that group, you have the organizers. You have Mr. Alaji Jane Binako. You have Mr. Famara Jame, who is down there. You have Mr. Famara Sane. You have Mr. Al-Hussein Kuyate Bajano. BITFA also have a few group of people known as the youth rep. These are the people responsible for the youth at the grassroots level. Whenever we want to gather youth, we want to talk to youth, they are the one responsible of gathering them. And you have Mr. Amadou Sane Amidu as one of them, Mr. Sebi Jaju, and Mr. Ibu Mendi. These are the youth reps.
Thank you.
As you know also, BITFA also needs a body of elders to do the advisory, the advice. The advisory body for BITFA are 12 people. The one is Alcalo, Mr. Aliufa Fai. And the chief advisor, whenever BITFA needs advice, these are the people will consult. And you have Mr. Ibrahim Akujabi, coupled as the chairperson of the Sports Committee. Mr. Jim Kudaria. And then we have Mr. Ibrahim Kamara. Mr. Ibrahim Kamara, thank you very much. We have also Mr. Ismaila Jame, and also advisor to BITFA. We have also Mr. Alassana Jame, he's not present here. Mr. Bubakar Sonko, Mr. Bubakar Sonko, you may rise. Thank you very much, Mr. He's part of the advisors. You have Mr. Buba Baji, who is not here. You have Mr. Modu Kujabi. You have Mr. Abdullah Jassi. We have Mr. Buba Bojang, and last but not least, Mr. Abubakar Manjang. These are the, thank you very much, thank you very much. These are the people responsible for advising BITFA for the way forward. Thank you very much. The executive of Busra Sports, Busra BDC. Whoever is an executive of BDC, you may rise. BDC executive, please. Luther as the chairman of BDC, and my extreme right, they are also BDC. You may rise the honey people. They are also BDC. Mrs. Juliet Jabi, Mr. Ismaila Jame.
Wana regem kebu hayno mi ekafiano sanem boy kuko bekai sen kuko pote ko yoli yakona mi BITFA après sanga oli oyna mi Basiru Fay oyna ma ke mana oli Basiru Fay na atebe ngena wala monu jikalon arrive no mi oyna mi Famara Jaju bona tebe ngena wala monu jikalon asabra oli amaka okona mi Aliou Suso bona tebe ngena wala arambene omi oyna mi Dimingorat Mendi o popale kate onatasia oli akemisi korasoli okonomi Ibrahim Akujabi I opona tebe ngena wala munu jukalo oja be areben mi Ibrahim kona tebe ngena wala munu jukalol ami tutore di bukanaku oinami Yusufa Jata ala kenya kasanken atadiye aburlo mi kasanken aribe nomi oinami Yusufa Jammeh ojeka jar pour jani Yusufa Jammeh ni jobe audito oli okrega mi Famara Jaju aramena ati audito oli okrega mi Damel Jata pour jani Damel Jata chief organizer ajembe ka joge nak bukana ku tudi mukana e manosan mambu solay okrega mi Ibrahima Sanya Purja Ibrahima Sanya assistant ola oyana mi Alaji Jane Purja di Alaji Jane organizers panu jobe Famara Jammeh Purja Famara Jammeh no jobe Famara Sane di panang Alseni Kuyate ko tuku organizer ko man jobe wonke ku pura ko man ko mikudu ko Amadou Sane o ku jukami oyana mi ajume di kapana kadi ku pura koli Purja Amadou Sane panu jobedi ankoni mi Seku Jaju o ko baju mi dika pana kakile Seku Jaju Purja di onu jobe ankoni mi Ibu Mendi Purja di Ibu Mendi panu joju kumatiko e ko fiano sane wala baj ku kamena kete ka bawe ka joma di kuri ko bukan ko nyen di ku gaba ku kamena ko le atwangan aw ayna alkala atiske wana sa wankon ne kan pangu jobe alkala atiske mambango na kameni ayna mi ayma Aliupa Fai Alkalo Ali Busra opona tebe tebe ngena wala munu jukalo Purja di akila aribe mi dikamena kupo oyna mi Ibrahima Jimboy Kujabi opop opdori kukamena koli Purja di Ibrahima Jimboy aribe nam roto mi oyna mi Lamin Sane Purja di Lamin Sane ponjobe Ibrahima Kamara Purja di Ibrahima Kamara ponjobe Ismaila Jammeh Purja di Ismaila Jammeh ponjobe di Lansana Jammeh Purjari Lansana Jammeh panujobe Babukar Sonko Purjari Babukar Sonko panujobe Buma Baji Purjari Buma Baji panujobe Modou Kujabi Emon Purjari Modou Kujabi panujobe di Ablaye Jasi
our diverse people to prove my brotherhood. We play a family games, our promise we renew. Keep us that kind of nation to the family.
Ladies and invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, what we've all been waiting for has just arrived. I have the honor and privilege to announce the arrival of the Chief Guest of Honor, Honorable Minister for Information.
Minister Numanjumiko Kemika Panakari Karingoran, Angoname Honorable Minister Ibrahima Sila, Oringolo Nyanya, Otom Kokrejo Besenol, Pulaka Fola. Alafta Minister Lala Duro Walum Jintiko, Minister Ibrahima Sila na Nyolu, Meta Milbatula Sangile Futata, Sanyi Sanyin Ten, Ifela Ibeni Alfalve Nyokontonkan, Ife Sirangol Dilela, Inyata Sila Damento, Oto Minister Mbafle, Bismillah, Ine Nyol Mube. Allah Baraka.
As his delegate. Once again, let me just run you through the program of event quickly. As we just witnessed the arrival of the Honorable Minister, we've just also witnessed the singing of the national anthem. We also will see the welcoming remarks from the Alcalo of Busra, a speech by the chairperson of BITFA, speech by the PDC chairman, speech by the Busra Sports Committee chairman, statement by the Council of Elders, Women Wing, and also speech by the Honorable Speaker, the speech by the guest speaker. Alcalo of Busra, Mr. Pa Ali Ufai, Alcalo of Jalambantang, Mr. Yafai Sonko, VDC Chairman, Mr. Luther Jata, Chairman of BITFA, Mr. Basiru Fai, Sports Committee Chairman, Mr. Ibrahim Akujabi, former Director of Gambia Immigration Department, Mr. Buba Sanyang, members of the media fraternity, Bruce Atemosa, Standard newspaper, senior judicial reporter, Keba Kamara freelance journalist, Lamin Kante, police media. We also have Mrs. Juliet of the Blackstick family, Juliet Kujabi, Katin Kujabi, Sajo, Yuba Kujabi. We also have Mr. Boubacar Samba, Kokodeku Bekama. We have Zakaria Sow, Sena Bunjai, Amina Jai from Abu Jai's family, and our honorary father's mom, Mrs. Agi Anasamba. We also have the fight, Mr. Alhaji Kamara, OC prosecutor. Ladies and gentlemen, invited guests, without wasting more time, I want to invite the Imam of Busra for the opening prayers in the Muslim way. Imam, you are welcome, sir.
Kami pawalam nyentiko, anye mempolbe minto kumani kiling, wamolbe ingombe tokola sobe kulare, balpurka sujani drum, ay momo to kumani walmo bunya molleti minyanta nala jang, andi be tangile, kabo minister to kata fo alabanta kamombi kumandi. Akona buda ge drum, amanta wato tala, abe mikala drum waram ka Bemani daire kadi imam la pour asetuwa molwe. Imam bismillah.
غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد تقبل منا وتب علينا انك انت التواب الرحيم يا ربنا زدنا ولا تنقصنا وعافنا ولا تحرمنا وارفعنا ولا تدانا اللهم ربنا ذكر العافيه ودوام العافيه وشكر العافيه صل على محمد اللهم صل
Amin. Thank you very much, Ya Imam. I have the honor also to invite the pastor to come and lead us into the Christian faith. Pastor,
Paul.
Mendy.
Paul
Mendy.
was here.
Okay. Okay, can we have a Christian volunteer and to lead us in the Christian way of faith prayers? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we can now go into the program proper. I am privileged and honored to invite the Alcalo of Busra to give his remarks. The Alcalo.
Nana wanaje mbekana rek. Comme que buka kudua koli alet pana wonk alkala ate suke ainame alu efai manatan wala na kujabura kire suke yola abe mi kala do wala mta alkalo kumani aylu tamal bismillah ala sate okono
الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم من فما كنتم نمو خليفوتي من فما أول كنتم بساتي البال بال كنتم من بسجان أني من لا جوي من لا نو جام de kontonna honorable minister sila de kontonna ni la nañu de na groupe coopérative women boda jukama de kontonna alkali jara mandan de kontonna de VDC de kontonna de sade fotin de kontonna sila ñaan aji ana samba ma ngi nuyu ak sa jëwat yépp di leen dalal dina wax bismillah si jotaay bi na bodo wala bi te kontaan na baake bari na kontaano diamo de siala ba wato tije diamo signento siala wala wato tije folo ma ala tentu baake ngakila jay irwal min kanan na sato to abentan na jamono le be wala ya kontaano wala ti kan ngaje ko woni kel fana ya mu daw tele di kontaano ma dalu la no ko ga je no ga shaki baake woni kel be ha global da men na re ikakale nyina e kana nyina delo me ya tinna iko ibini ka folondela ka folondo wala mo kana ka alkalo ma koy ka jirwa samana ngamira alkalo ma koy ka jirwa samana wala mo kama sa kunda ma koy ka jirwa samana ani ka treto ma koy ala do ko to nara wala woti to nara wala ba tayla ba tin ka paake ado wado alkalo te kala lorin wakam jirwa kulu mu man sama ko yo mu iko ma ko re to mba tayla mba tintula alkala ni versala men fanan jura den balu yamarda alsalon alba kaman la nyame jirwa yatin alba aliya yele alkala ku bide men se wali o samana sa to do alba ko
yaay ñul ne lan ci la bëgg dem belen ci dama fa na ci kër ma ka kem bo bur na ba acha
lampay nga gis ni kene moko indi dik bi nga ñëw fii boobu ñu xamul Abdou Ndiaye musuñ koo gis boobu Bousra amutoon yoon waa Banjul koo ne nañ dem Bousra da ngaa ne waa foofu àll la du ma fa dem waaye tey waa Banjul daa nga bëgg a Bousra kër Bousra mënuñ koo am waaye aji ana ñu laa wax gàlla ga jaama gàlla yaar gàcce ngalaama te xam naa ne du yow rek te kilifa yi nga si gis mooy Badara Faye Alaaji Babou Samba ak Tafsir Demba May ñu nga gis moo tax nga ne xaaral ma utal suma doom yi place Bousra li ñoo am nii danga ko séntu woon moo tax bis bi sa bis la bés bi yaa ko moom tey taax bi Bousra am nii gannaaw yàlla du Abdou de yow la de moo tax ba mu ñëwee ma ne ko lii aji anala samala boo tuddee waaw te lampay nekk Bousra yow lañ ko tuddee de te ñu ngi lay ñaanal leer bi nga indi Bousra fii yàlla feela leer bu àdduna ak àllaaxira yàlla feela ko sa njaboot waaw te maa ngi ñaan tamit nit ñi ñaax si yow li nga def ni ñu roy kilifa nii nga def kilifa da ngaa séntu lu sori nga lal ko depuis tey sa njaboot yi njëriñoo ko loolu nga def nii ñu ngi lay wax jërëjëf bés bi sa bés la mbaa fulali alba ala baraka jaamu ñu be siyaano le noonu waate siyaano la waatoo tijjee ala baraka barke asalaamaaleykum wa rahmatullah
alkali kumobane alkala ko mafi mabu amal na sanke njuk amal na sanke njuk bare ku jara ko alama nu ga jenta kula yori
Thank you very much, Alcalo. You've made a very important point that the website must not be used for anything outside its aim and objective. We are aware of that and think we are going to work on that. Thank you very much once again. I want to also invite the chairperson BITFA, Mr. Basiru Fai, to give his speech. Mr. Fai,
akawa abe basiru fay kumanila minu bi pala ke amanoti afana ina idea amane kona wank akora gami basiru fay ana mi arunga di kuteka ko ye manaja sankan ko very very good very good
Honorable Minister of Information and Delegate Alcalo of Busura, Imam of Busura, Alcali Committee here, the BDC, the Sports Committee, Mr. Abdul Jai, Busura VH, Women's Couple in Busura, the youth of Busura, invited guests who are present. Media House, Black Sheep, the former Director General of Immigration, Mr. Buba Chanyan, Mr. Alaji Kamara, invited distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Today we are launching online website in Busura. The launching of this website is one of its kind in the history of Busura. It will sell out the good image of Busura to the digital platform outward. Because we are living in the digital world, the website is important. It will help to establish credibility and as businessman or service providers. Nowadays, people are busy and have no time. The only time they have is to sell, to site the internet, to know about their service or businesses that association is providing. The website will be used to sell the good image of Busura in particular and Gambia as a whole. It will serve as an information tool and business. We have recently set a media team who will be responsible for the website. I advise you to work tangibly and make sure to access all information before uploading into the website. I have no doubt in my mind you will be able to do that. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Aja Ana Samba Solar Street Lights. The provision of 61 solar street lights in Busura may also assist pedestrians to to locate safe crossing points and detect potential night hazards. In addition to that, the introduction of the installation of the solar street lights in Busura will reduce darkness and banditry in Busura. I empower all citizens and non-citizens in Busura and even passerby to jealously safeguard and protect for its sustainability. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to express my profound gratitude and appreciation to our able father, Mr. Abdunjai, for his generosity. In fact, he is behind the project. On that note, on behalf of BITFA Executive and Carlo VDC and Women's CAFO in Busura, and his family, the good life and protection. I can't continue on my speech without thanking our able Alcalo for opening his arms for us each time we knock his door. May Allah reward you abundantly. We shall continue to work hand in glove for the development of Busura. Please allow me again to thank the executive members who were working tirelessly to ensure that this program is successful. Thanks goes to the BDC for their support. May Allah reward you all. A bigger thanks goes to the youth of Busura for their continuous support to the association. May Allah open lot of opportunity to every one of you. Finally, BITFA is here to stay, and we will continue to contribute to the development of the village as far as the youth of Busura is behind the association. Long live BITFA Executive, long live BITFA Association, long live Busura Youth, long live Busura.
Thank you very much, Chairperson BITFA, for that wonderful deliberation of a speech. I will now give the mic to Mr. Jadu to briefly elaborate on what he said.
Abaraka, Chairman BITFA, Ivy Pojang, Asiata Barema Sutiandilam, Afrota Kalun Jampumal Bay, Konton, Ke Bismillah, Ke Nyandi Ifanto, Tabra Botaje, Aitaniro Kele Dalilo Miyati Nambendajang, Ako Bayri Bidalilo, Kufala Drone Yambendajang, ka website on your lunch and in ka street light open on your lunch. Ako itolbe hakilo ba kanne, andung wayati na laifo ye media team olandi meya lonko tango pele ngi takala ngi website oto isa korosi ya tame ya amaro nyinala jani ba kelaje oto ni abelari wonyama asaitandi ko street light obi binami lunchla atatale for street light taworo alin clean meya lonko obe sate okonaja yin street light taworo alin clean abe makoiro kala bake pour kaje ko mo kurumol Bandiol, ita hangira kadun sate okonaja ano pana abatina rapona ni mo be tambila ita sila katambi katadulato kabodulato katadulato anyim pola kumol kono ko abe mon be kamo nganyala pour asekela nyandoti asekela dokoti kaje ko kanil lampo ka sabatindi sate okonaja aseke bela dokoti akata la dia mo kumpala na me fama mimo Abdunjai amatentu amajai katungo yindo ko bebi bekeri Abdunjai be koma abe makoila abe tetela abe sopotla abai sambala ko kwebe futala gamen tobi akoni ya Abdunga okela abodonan laslikendo reto ate kumogi kumpala nama Abdunjai adamole aye tete aye makoy kaje ko be ko kuto abe yamarla ebe alnyinke akona mota busra
Privilege to invite the chairman of VDC, Mr. Luther Jaka. You are welcome, sir.
Should have written it.
Khalifa General Busra, Alkali Busra, various Alkalul, Honorable Minister of Court, Council of African Descendants, Court, and Black Sheep family, Yai Compins and members of the Women Support Development Kafulu, members of Busra Holding Company, members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum. It is with great pleasure to stand before this gathering to grace the development and aspiration as the Village Development Committee Chairman VDC, as well as to launch our great development and ongoing projects. Before I go further, I would like to thank the Alkalu, Pa Alufai, and his authority for this tireless propagation of the youths. Our community to join fully in the development of the village, as well as gave me the great opportunity to serve as the VDC chairman. Please allow me to give a short story. Remembering on a coordinated meeting where the Alcalo crying to the youth of the village, wake up and stop sleeping. Wake up and stop sleeping. And join the village development orientation. Members of the group called Assemble promise that they will take care of the renovation of our village health care. That they did. And it is almost done as expected. Although the work is not finished, but it's almost done as expected. On that project, the president of the youth task force and a few friends called on me as the VDC chairman and Assemble group to discuss about the formation of the youth task force. Busra VDC is grateful to all Kafolu and associations under its committees. More especially Busra Youth Task Force for their hard work, dedicated and commitment, as well gathered here today for launching of BitFast website. I must compliment for this great achievement. United we stand, divided we fall. To all the youths, this is a message to the youths. Please join my committee to thank the Busra Holding Company for providing us with Aja Ana Samba solar street lights project in our community. I pray Allah to guide and protect our two patriotic son, Mr. Abdul Jai, proprietor of Busra Holding Company, and his family. Long life and prosperity. May Allah guide his company and take it to higher heights. Thank you very much.
Follow Moleko, follow Khalifa General, Ibrahima Baba Faye aba tentula ba jayla ba kontona abe ministre kontona abe Abdou Jay kontona abe luntangol be momo la bijan abe kontona itol ni kontomala ami folo nyitiko kafo kafule be nyi sate o kono wo kafalu abe be tentula abe jayla ila nyaton ko ni la ko malankol mume ni nata jube ako abe tarika kilinda fola me alon ko alafta mol kana ngina tarikola wala mnyindi ko sungar salol alkaro kabego komandi janne anu wo bengol na ya komandi aka kumbole ta fo busra fonnin kelu albo sinola busra fonnin kelu ali kuning busra fonnin kelu ali ma ko wandi fonnin kelu albe ma kanyame ako wala ya tinna SMB kafo wala busra alkali promise ya itanola ko ndolbe nyatina lopitano to andu yake ko ya fonyame wawato konolom nyen kafonyi kona wulita kalo ini SMB kapta nyoma iftata temati mu BDC kiamati ikachata kuri nyen kafonyi talola nyame akona kilo nyama asemita nidro wala mnyindiko nyen kafola lonkano ase afoye ko ye tenten ye wakili ye lo ila lonkano to kurkaje ko kanyin sato nyi sambanyato akabe tentula be jaila ila katola yaminke pour kanyi website o nyi launch akonama wofo abe ayenda karle bari ya katale e website o nyi mba launch kambi bara sa fo fananko benga kafu nyoma ngaje ko sato la nyatota ngabula noma akatala kuma kumfala na mambusura alkali tentu aya jai iko maningol kamifo sabu kutu sabula ni takita yesa no tombo itakita dame yesa no tombo mangina ngina lawla otobusura alkali wala moti me alonko ni ko be bekeri atele ka jija duma atele ba fokan atele ba donkil kan ko kenota ananta kala nyame ota ba fula busura alkali ko abaraka alame sima ala jam anare no tenten ko ke bonanko ako komiti le ba te koto aba itanda la ko alimbe na kafunyoma alemma koy purunga aja ana samba na dua bari nyin aja ana samba ala wulu feno wala be busura pondikan dibo kono aba sambala ta ke fanoti pour mol be saje ibe dawda ise busura hayna akoto woku kan aba fula Abdou Ndiaye ko ana la compagnie me alon ko mimbe busura kono jan alama alaye makoy aya samba e nyato ilaftala futandi la damento isa futandi noje ando alabe o kaynola atu ko ala ko ne dani mi ngomina mbakelale oto BDC keman ko abe ngene dani la jama mol bela pour se Abdou Ndiaye doa ana la compagnie busra holding ilafta futala dame ise futaje ala kontondiro kono ay black sheep mon fona bektentule ay jay julet nala molu ay bektentule ay jay ala baraka
Abaraka Bage, just a quick one. As we are also here to launch two very important things, and then these things they need a little bit of darkness for them to be clear. So let us not be in a haste. I will apologize so that we needed a little bit of darkness so that we can successfully see the effect of what we wanted to launch. Not even this one. This one is already clear, but none of the solar light. I would have loved for it to be a little bit dark so that while we see the effect of the solar lights, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, please be patient with us. Thank you very much. I want to also invite the chairman of Busra Sports Committee, Mr. Ibrahim Kujabi, to deliver his short remarks.
Nane kono Ibrahim Kujabi, Busra Sports Committee, Burmano Pop, Asanken.
Inspector.
Nane Ujikajat, Omonela Kujabuna Dula Tukara Konya, Wafuka Mari Yubika Kuli, Wafaka Marawe, Nijama U Panujuka, Barawaman Jarabika Kulia, Dimayanga Matujuka, Otamodela, Ujajati, Yakuna Kanadi remain, Mambujuka, Wano Mari Yubika Wambul, Otamodela Bukana Kamita Katistate, Amrela Kujabungaku, Mambiku Mountain, Mambuka Vijati. Pour mambo nuju ka slam pasu mas no kore meno ambala bujone
doro e sumede.
Ala jadam kaya. Ala kada ala kada.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين. Greetings to the Caliph General of Busra, Al-Hadi Baba Fay, the Alcalo of Busra, Pa Ali Fay, the Alcalo, my in-law of Jalan Bantang, Jaima Yafay Sonko, the Njai family, Abdul Njai's family and mom, the Black Sheep family, the Honorable Minister who is our spotlight today. We are welcome to Busra community. And other entourage of the minister and the dignitaries here present. It gives me an honor to come and speak on behalf of the Busra Sports Committee on the activities that we started since 2014. And today is a day to inaugurate and launch our website, which is also key to the satellite who is present, that is the minister, because the minister is the satellite of the country. Without information, we are nowhere. So youth, I'm urging you, let us take this opportunity on this website and exercise our skills and talents in the game of football and in any job that we are doing, because it is going to exhibit everything that we do in life. Greetings to my mom, Aja Anna Samba, who have also joined the satellite of the minister to electrify the whole of Busra. One who gives you life, gives you safety. Safety in the sense, everywhere you are going, you are seeing. And we are going towards the rain. Slaves are too much. May God forgive. This website is a new look for the village. The other speakers have said, let us not abuse it. And the task force, thank for their initiative, the guidance of our father, Abdul Njai, and the chief advisor, the Alcalo of Busra. Let us take this opportunity serious so that the world will see us as we join the global world. Our skills should be nurtured into the website so that everybody will know what we are doing in Busra. Today, everybody in the world will see us inaugurating our own solar lights. Thank you, Mom. The Busra Sports Committee is running without sponsor. The team, all the Navedan we are organizing, they don't have a share. because they said they are gate taking, they are going to surrender it to the sports committee so that we can fence the field. To fence the field to avoid children going into the bush. Children going to the bush to look for sticks to fence the field. So it is I'm thanking the teams that are contributing towards the fencing of the field. Since the inception of our committee, we have played in the district level 6 competitions. All these competitions, we only absented kicking a final in one of the year. That is 2017-2018. But all these years, Busra is centering all the finals. We lose 3 finals and won 2. Our constraints are materials for the sports in Busra. We are looking for sponsor or partnership to finish one of our land which is remaining on the fencing of the football field. That is on the highway. We are urging any philanthropy or any partner who can come to our aid so that we can finish it. God willing. We are also urging all philanthropists to come to our aid because we did not have a community center, multi-purpose center. We want to erect a multi-purpose center that youths can go and discuss their issues, personal issues, that is accepting them. The goal of this is to have a community center where youths can go and meet. We also want to erect a tennis lawn and a volleyball lawn, so that whoever cannot kick a ball can also venture on volleyball and basketball. So we are looking for donors. We also need a dressing room for the athletes, for the footballers. The materials are lacking. That is why we did not start our Navetan in time. But God willing, before next week, we will kick off our Navetan, inshallah. And thank you all for your kind attention.
Thank you very much, Sports Committee Chairman Mr. Ibrahim Okujali. He said something very important to Mr. Abdullah, and I will say it again. He who gives what he gives may not know the magnanimity of the effect of what he has given, but those that he give it to will definitely know and appreciate it. Thank you very much once again. In a nutshell, he just tried to say the field is undergoing a fencing which is not sponsored. If you look at the sub-region here, most of the fields that are fenced in these villages are sponsored projects. But that of Busra is a non-sponsored project. What happens is teams will contribute their monies and then they will play tournaments, and then in a normal sense, after every game, every team will go with a percentage back home. But in Busra here, teams are saying no to that. They will not receive anything else. They'll say to the committee, take this money and please continue on your wonderful project of fencing the field. And he is gesturing to every individual, organization and philanthropy for any hand or any aid to help them sponsor what is left of the field. Those are the things that he mentioned: a dressing room, and the completion of the fencing of the field. Thank you very much. And a community center.
Ibrahima Abaraka ila kumaka ngobeti atabake Ibrahima Jimbo afalota ka Halifo se Ibrahima Faika Kontong abona janata alkalo to